This is the Vintage Coach Bellacourt Bag, style number 9957 in the color Bone, which is a beige-like color, as you can see. And this specific bag right here was made in the US in 1994. So I'll go ahead and show you the bag itself now. So it does come with a detachable strap. It attaches right here to these side pieces, side hardware pieces, and the strap is adjustable right here. And as you can also see, it does come with a top handle, which is really nice. I would say that the Bellacourt is more of a rare style of bag. I don't see a ton of them. I actually have a black one in my personal collection that I decided to keep just because I think it's such a cute style and I just don't see a lot of them. So I really like this style personally. I think it's a pretty good size if you like smaller bags, but it does have the top handle, which I also really like. I feel like it's a lot more convenient to take off the bag and put it back on when you can hold the top handle. So I think this is a great style. So anyway, I'll go ahead and show you the rest. So here's the front, here's the side of the bag, and then here's the back. And as you can see, it does have a back slip pocket. And then I'll go ahead and open the bag just to kind of give you an idea of how roomy the interior is. So like I mentioned, it is a smaller size bag, so here's kind of what it looks like on the inside, and it does have a back zip pocket, of course, back here. And then the creed is back here as well. Here's a photo since it's hard to show you well on camera in the video, so you can see that it's authentic, of course. And this bag isn't in new condition or anything, but it does come with the inspection tags, which is kind of cool. It's interesting that these were kept in the back pocket or in the zip pocket over the years. So I'll just put these inside so we can keep them safe. So anyway, that's the beautiful Bellacourt bag, style 9957. And this bag is available now in our online shop. So if anyone was interested in looking at the bag further, the link will be below in the description box. But otherwise, thanks for watching, take care, and see you next time.